Welcome to Z Pro Studio.
Have you noticed a small crack on your laptop? It might seem harmless now, but ignoring it can cause major problems later. A cracked laptop bezel doesn't just affect its appearance. It can cause your screen to wobble and even lead to expensive repairs if not addressed. In this video, we will guide you on how to assess the damage, decide whether to repair it yourself, and successfully replace your bezel. Let's begin with defining what a cracked laptop bezel is. It's the plastic frame around your laptop screen, holding it in place. Unlike a broken screen, a cracked bezel won't immediately affect your display, but leaving it unrepaired can lead to future issues like dust entering your panel or loosened hinges. In 2026, this issue becomes crucial. According to recent reports, laptops with cracked bezels experience a significant rise in display assembly failures over time. A single crack can cause stress that leads to damage in the display connector. It's essential to assess the location of the crack as well. A crack near the hinge requires immediate attention. Now let's discuss how you can fix a cracked laptop bezel. This process will take about 30 to 60 minutes. Firstly, power off your laptop completely and prepare your workspace. Ensure you unplug the charger and remove the battery, if applicable. Use a flat surface with a microfiber cloth to protect your screen. You'll need a Phillips PH0 screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and a spudger for the next steps. Next, locate the hinge screws hidden under rubber plugs at the bottom corners of the display. Remove these plugs and screws carefully. Don't strip the screws. Apply backward pressure if they feel tight. Taking a photo of the screw positions can help during reassembly. Now, it's time to pry the bezel away. Start from the bottom center, using your plastic pry tool. Gently work your way around the bezel without forcing any resistant sections. Most laptops have about 18 to 24 clips that should release with gentle pressure. Before installing your new bezel, inspect for any cable damage. Make sure the webcam and display cables are intact, and check both hinges for tightness. A loose hinge can quickly crack a new bezel. Once you're ready, align the new bezel starting from the top center, securing the clips as you move downwards. Reinstall the hinge screws and replace the rubber plugs. Power your laptop on to ensure everything works correctly. It's important to use the right tools and replacement parts. Avoid metal tools to prevent further damage. A good tool set costs under $30 and can save you from costly repairs down the line. Some common mistakes to avoid include using super glue to fix the crack, which can make future repairs difficult and expensive. Always order your replacement bezel by the exact model number, not just the name, to ensure a proper fit. In summary, a cracked laptop bezel can be repaired easily and quickly. Don't ignore the crack, take action to prevent further damage. Check your laptop's model number, order the correct replacement, and follow our outlined steps. You can successfully complete this repair yourself in about an hour. So why wait? Start your repair today and keep your laptop in top shape.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Z Pro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.